Most people have never actually seen a full list of what's inside the vaccines that are given to kids and adults. Today, I'm going to walk through some of the ingredients that are still allowed and why informed consent matters more than ever. Hi, I'm Haley, the PA, and I talk all things functional medicine and immunology. Let's start with the ones that get the most attention. Aluminum salts are used as adjuvants in many vaccines to theoretically stimulate a stronger immune response. The amounts are small, but aluminum is a known neurotoxin, and over time, these levels add up and the body has limited ways to clear it. Some vaccines still contain residual antibiotics, such as neomycin, streptomycin, or polymyxin B. These are left over from the manufacturing process to prevent bacterial contamination. If someone has a known antibiotic sensitivity, this can be relevant. Formaldehyde is used to inactivate viruses or toxins, and trace amounts can still remain. Formaldehyde is used to embalm cadavers and is extremely toxic. Then there are residual DNA fragments in certain vaccines that are also grown in aborted fetal cell lines, such as MRC5. Other vaccines are grown in animal cell lines, which may contribute to cases of autoimmunity following vaccination, as we see in both the literature and clinically. For example, some use Vero cells originally from the African green monkey kidney or historically other cell substrates. Small amounts of residual cellular DNA can also end up in the final product. Regulatory agencies set limits, but the presence of foreign DNA is something many patients are never told about. Historically, early polio vaccines in the 1950s and 60s were contaminated with SV40, a monkey virus that came from the monkey kidney cells used to grow the vaccine. SV40 was also used in the COVID vaccines. Millions of people have received those doses. SV40 has been studied for possible links to certain cancers, and current vaccines are screened differently, but the history matters when we talk about long-term trust. Heavy metals, thimerosal, which contain ethyl mercury, was largely removed from the most childhood vaccines in the early 2000s, but it's still used in some of the multi-dose flu shots. Aluminum, as I mentioned, remains common. Informed consent means the person receiving the vaccine or the parent understands the full picture: the disease risk, the vaccine's benefits, the known side effects, and the ingredients and manufacturing residuals. It is not just signing a form, it's understanding what's going on in the body. If you want more transparency on any specific vaccine, ask for the package insert. This is not anti-vaccine. This is pro-informed consent. Know what you're putting in your body or your child's body. My question to you is, if I injected all of these ingredients into your child's apple, would you let them eat it?